You smell that? It smells like a fresh beater box. That probably actually doesn't smell good, so I don't know why I would insinuate that. But anyways, hello! Welcome to the channel. If you're coming back, thanks for coming back. If you've never been before, welcome. You probably won't like what's going on here, but that's cool. Some people do, and they're cool, and I'm not. So that whole sentence made no sense. But anyways, if you subscribe, there are a couple of you. I appreciate you big time. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for spreading the word. Thanks for being just positive people, because there's a lot of negative Nellies in the world, and don't be lumped in with those people because curmudgeons just, they're just bad news, trust me. Today, this wonderful Friday, January 5th, yeah, well, some of you are buried under the bomb cyclone or whatever it's called. I hope you're all safe, first of all, and you have heat. But today I have a beater box. It's from Supremacy, a shop in the Bay Area of California that specializes in everything that has to do with footwear. Actually, I don't know if they know anything about slippers or anything. I don't know. But basically what a beater box is, it's like 8 to 12 random shoes of various conditions and various sizes that they just decide they don't want to sell in their shop or on their eBay page. So me and about 150 other people pay a monthly premium to have access to these beater boxes, and you can make, you know, some pretty good money. I mean, there's been boxes I made basically even on, and there's some boxes that I made almost 200% on. So if you get the right shoes at the right price and find the right customer, it can be totally worth it. So instead of going on for 25 minutes about what a beater box is, let's just get this thing open and see what's inside! Good guess would be that there are shoes inside, and that's exactly what there is in here. So first of all, this box was $1,150 plus $40 shipping, but they had a 2018 Happy New Year discount code going on for 25 bucks off, so I ended up getting this box for $1,165. So a little bit of savings, that's not bad. There's quite a bit of loose shoes without boxes. That's not really a great sign. So the first loosie out of here looks like a GS size. It is. It's a 7 Youth. It's a 2007 pair of the AQUA 8s. Probably the most popular colorway of all the 8s. This isn't in bad condition. I mean, it's almost 10 years old, so, you know, there's some wear on here. No box, a little bit of paint stuff, you know, for a 10-year-old shoe. Not bad. These will probably go really cheap, so there you have it. Size 7.5. Jordan 8 AQUA. Not a fan of 8s. So the next loose shoe out of here is, it's a Kobe. It's a size 10. I think it's a Kobe 10. This. The other shoe has a date on the back of it. It says 6/26/96. No idea. Not a Lakers fan, so. These are pretty cool though. I'm sure they're awesome for hooping. They look like they've been, barely been worn. Size 10, pair of Kobe's. No idea what they're called. I will provide you information on what they are called and how much you can purchase them for down below, right here. And it looks like there's one more loose shoe. I'm not 100% sure, but it is a size 10. You know what? Find out on your screen right now if it's a Fear 5 or Oreo 5. Either way, I don't think it's an Oreo 5, but this is in really nice shape for not having a box. Probably a solid, you know, 8 out of 10 condition. Just needs to be cleaned up. There's some scuffing on the paint on the side, which I'm definitely sure I can get out, but there's no chipping or cracking or anything, so pretty nice shoe, size 10. Gotta look up what it is. There are lace locks on both of them, so that's a good thing. Let's get into shoes with boxes now. So this is a Nike Air Force, well, it looks like a replacement box. Let's find out. It is. It's a replacement box. So this is a size 9 pair of, I can't tell if they're dead stock or not. This is the DMP 5s. This is the Red Suede, Raging Bull, whatever you want to call it. It's a really nice shoe. I did have another pair of these. I want to say they've been worn, but I mean, you can barely tell. I mean, the bottoms are spotless. There's a little bit of creasing, which leads me to believe they've been worn once or twice. But yeah, these are a really nice shoe. People love this shoe. This is a really good get. So size 9. Red Suede. Not a fan of red shoes myself, but I know pretty much everybody else in the world is. So this is a size 9.5 Jordan Spizike. Okay. Yep, it's a Jordan Spizike. This is actually not a bad colorway. Yeah, this isn't bad at all. These are pretty cool, actually. Like the colorway. There's no paint chipping or cracking or anything, it looks like. Bottoms are just a little bit dirtied up. Inside's pretty wild. Someone put tape down over the Jumpman. It's a Spizike. Whatever. So here's that. These will probably go cheap. I can't imagine any Spizikes have much value at all. So let's grab another Jordan box out. According to the box, it says size 11 Jordan 4 Retro. It's not. I don't know what these are called. Maybe Christmas or something like that? I don't know. But these are not 4s. These are size 10.5. These are Jordan 6s. I forget which Jordan 6s they are. Consult your screen right now to find out what they are. They're barely, I mean, they're worn a little bit of creasing. Yeah, it's a red shoe. Again, people love red shoes. I don't. Size 10.5, Jordan 6 something in a replacement box. It's so weird. Like, there's only been one shoe in a regular box, and it's a Spizike. Got a 9.5 Nike Roshe 1 suede. No, we don't. This is a pair of 16s. This is size 9.5 pair of Countdown Pack 16s. These are actually really nice. Barely used. I mean, bottoms are spotless. There's just a little bit of toe box creasing on the patent leather, but these are a really nice shoe. 16s are hit or miss as far as... I like them without the little top thingy, but yeah, they have a nice silhouette. Size, what was I saying? 9.5. CDP 16s in a replacement box. Am I going to get a box that, like, the shoes belong in? I'm not really digging this box so far. So we got in the size 11.5, looks like a FOAMPOSITE. Air FOAMPOSITE 1 AS Quick Strike. It's CHROMEPOSITEs. These are dead stock too. Yeah, these are a nice pair. Nothing wrong with them. These things are notorious for the chrome material coming off of here. But these are dead stock, never been worn, so pretty good. So size 11.5, CHROMEPOSITE. Hot Pocket, CHROMEPOSITE. Don't do that. Two more in here. I'll get this one. This is a size 10.5. It's a V1 Boost Yeezorp. The box is pretty thrashed, but it's another pair of Pirate Blacks. Pre-owned condition. Yeah, they're not bad. They just need to be cleaned up. There's still a lot of tread on the bottom here. I have a size 11 of these pre-owned right now on the site. They look like they've been worn less because you can actually see the Adidas and Yeezy inside the insole, so that's good. So size 10.5, Yeezy Pirate Black. BB5. Okay, so this is the 2016. I have the 2015. These are the 2016s. So cool, pretty good. That was probably the intentional money shoe, but in my opinion, the money shoe is this one because it's Jordan 1. It's a size 11.5, Jordan 1. Oh, it's not a money shoe at all. I'm just kidding. It's a pair of BRED 1s. Yep, I have a pair myself. I like them okay. They're hard to get on. A little surprising. These are dead stock. Yeah, these are definitely dead stock. Alright, this box is pretty rough. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. I'm speechless. So, let's give it a grade. So the grade will be comprised of 3 categories. And they are as follows. Category 1, condition. Category 2, sizes. Category 3, hype/value. Because a shoe without hype has no value. Plain and simple. Let's do condition first. I think there's like 2 dead stock shoes in this entire thing. And there's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 pairs of shoes in here, only 2 of them are dead stock. Condition-wise, C-, I guess. So let's do sizes. So we got, I don't even know what sizes because none of them have the right box. So I think 9, 7.5, 10, 10.5, 11.5, 11.5. There's nothing really bad size in here. So, you know, I kind of got to give sizes a pretty decent grade. So sizes will say B because it's not, I mean, these are all wearable sizes. Hype/value. Oh boy. There is some hype, not much value in here though. So, I mean, I don't know. This looks like a break-even box, or struggle to break even box. Even with those Pirate Blacks, but they're used. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm kind of confused at how this ended up being a $1,150 value of a box. But I'm not the one setting the prices, so as far as hype/value, I gotta give it a D-. It's not an F, but it's definitely not that great. With the grade of C- for condition, the grade of B for sizes, and the grade of D- for hype/value, that means this $1,150 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a grade of D+ in the SB Mitch report card. So definitely not the best box. I could probably say this is probably one of the worst boxes I've gotten. And you know, it's not anybody's fault. They just might have not. I mean, last year, I remember last year around the holiday season, Soul Supremacy was getting a lot of really good stuff because people wanted to sell their shoes and buy Christmas gifts. I guess that didn't happen this year because there's not really that much good stuff in here. Again, I could be wrong. I have to look everything up that I don't know about still. But I mean, the only 2 shoes in here that I know, 3 shoes maybe that'll get, you know, some money are the Chromeposites, the Red Suede 5s, and the Pirate Blacks. But other than that, everything else is kind of meh. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribers, thanks for coming back. Appreciate you. As of yesterday, RansomeNoteSneakers.com has updated. Lots of new Supreme stuff on there. Go check that out. And a couple shoes, but not a whole bunch. A little bit of small feet stuff going on there. So, and then I will be dropping some Brick 66 next Tuesday. If you don't know what Brick 66 is, go to my website, RansomeNoteSneakers.com or RNSMNote.com. Click on the Brick 66 tab and find out what it exactly is. It's basically something on eBay that you can get shoes for cheap. Go check it out. I just gave you the Cliff's Notes. Who is Cliff? Nobody knows. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. So until then, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, do something else. Find what you're passionate about. Find something you love. Do that. Because that's what life is all about. Being happy, loving stuff, and other things. What am I talking about? Thanks again, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye!